Welcome to our step-by-step guide on cutting and trimming videos using the YouTube editor. Let's unlock the powerful features it offers. First, let's access the YouTube Studio. Sign in to your account and navigate to the Content section. Now, locate the video you want to edit. You can easily find it in your list of uploaded content. Next, we'll look at the Trim Tool interface. This is where all the magic happens. To set your start and end points for trimming, simply drag the sliders to your desired sections. Be sure to preview your changes before saving. This ensures you're happy with the results. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and save your trimmed video back to YouTube. Here are a few final tips for effective editing. Keep it concise, focus on storytelling, and maintain quality. If you encounter any issues, common troubleshooting includes checking your internet connection and refreshing the page. Congratulations on learning how to cut and trim videos in YouTube Editor. Now, explore more features and start editing.